How to create half-circle shape text in Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open MS Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Insert. After you click on Insert, you'll find all these options. Simply click on Text. Add your text in here. After that, click on Word Art Styles. In here, click on Transform, and you'll find half circle up or down. Simply click on one. As you can see, half circle text has appeared. You can also change color of it and also size of it. And that's how you create half circle shape text in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest